Welcome to today's section. Today we will be discussing first unit, third part. Before going to our session today, we will recollect the last session topics which we have discussed. The first we have seen what is network. Next, distributed processing, network, criteria, and physical structures. In this three, the physical structures has plays a very important role. In that, we have seen the topologies. Bus topology we have seen, star topology, ring topology we have seen. These are the three very important topologies that again we are going to use in our categories of network. Just we'll have a recollection of this one. I would like to show you a small thing, that is when I'm coming for the bus topology, how the systems are connected. We'll have one cable and we'll have some systems, and these are all are connected with the help of a connector to a, this is our bus topology. Yes or no? This is our bus topology. Here what we are doing, when we are transmitting any information or a data to this one, and this can be shared with the help of this backbone we are going to call. Okay, while coming for the ring topology, we'll have our wired as in a ring fashion, and for this our systems are being connected. And the data transfer will be in any one direction only. This is our ring topology. This is how our systems, the devices are connected like a ring fashion. If any disconnection means, if any problem is occurred in this wire, in these two systems, means the entire system will have some problem and the functionality will be stopped. Yes or no? And while coming further, this is our ring topology, bus topology. We'll see our star topology. Star will have a hub here. We'll have some ports to this one. To these ports, we are going to connect our systems. If any problem has occurred between this system and the hub, means these two systems will be in a working mode. Only if the hub is getting damaged, then only all the systems will get shut down. Okay, next, the last one is mesh topology. In this mesh topology, what we'll see means, we'll have, I'm just taking only the three systems because to make you understand easily. This system is having connection to, if I take this as A and this is my B and this is C. A is having connection for B and C. Similarly, this B also is having connection to A and C, and similarly C is having connection to B and A. If I have one more system, that is D, how the connection will be? First I should draw a connection such that B will have a connectivity between A, B and C. Now A should also have a connectivity between A and D, and C also should have a connectivity between C and D. This is our mesh topology. And mesh topology, mainly the connecting wires are more and the complexity is also more, the cost is also more in the mesh topology. Maximum we always go for star and bus topologies mostly. Now we are going to, today we'll see the categories of network. First, what we understand the term network. When we speak about the network, we are generally refer LAN and MAN connection. Have you any time heard about this LAN and MAN connections? This categories of network. Today's topic is categories of network. We are going to complete LAN, WAN and MAN. This is a local area network. When we start speaking about the network, maximum we get an idea of LAN, WAN or MAN in our minds. While coming for this local area network, here what is the short distance? Short distance means how much the distance might be. The distance will be a very few kilometers, meters we can call, in a small building. If we consider your laboratories, if we consider our programming labs, those are connected as a LAN connection with some bus topologies. This is a combination. In this LAN network, we will use bus or sometimes we will use star topology also. If we go and see in our labs, you will find a hub and it will have some ports. With that ports only, your net connection will be given. Yes or no? Yeah. Designed to provide local interconnectivity. It is designed to provide local interconnectivity, means in a single office. If we consider a small office, I will show you. If we consider a small office, this is my small office. Here we have some systems like this, if suppose. To connect all the systems, we'll use, this might be some bus topology, like a bus topology we are going to connect. So in a small single office or small buildings or a small campus, we can take it. Okay. The speed, if we consider the speed of this one, it is 100 Mbps to 1000 Mbps. The speed of this local area network is the speed of the LAN or normally from 100 to 1000 Mbps, that is megabits per second. Okay. Here in this LANs, I will show you in the next slide. Next one, the wide area network and metropolitan area network. These three, when I go further and further, we'll discuss each and every topic very clearly. First, we'll see what is local area network. What does this mean? Short distance, designed to provide local interconnectivity. Okay. Local area network. See, here we have a hub. If we think of this, just you think of this one, you can remember your laboratories. As I told you, in your labs, all the systems like this, all the systems are connected to a hub. When we are connecting to a hub means, what does it mean? It is using a star topology. As we have already know, the star topology will have one hub. With that hub, we'll have some ports and each port is connected to one respective system. All the systems are interconnected. Suppose if I want to this is my A system, okay, and this is my F system. Suppose if I want to transmit any data from A to F, is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Like this, we can transmit some data to my, okay, this is a local area network. Locally, any organizations, any small organizations in a building or in a floors, in first floor, second floor, third floor. Maximum we use local area network. Okay. Hmm. See, LAN is usually, it is a privately owned and link the devices in a single office building or campus. As I told you, all the systems are linked. Is here all the systems are linked. Links the device in a single office. I told you office, a small office we can take, small building or a small campus. LANs are designed to allow resource to be shared between personal computers to workstations. Here the resources to be shared can be, if my system is connected to a printer, then it is also a LAN connection we are calling, because the hardware resources are printers, and the software are application programs, the programs which we are doing in our, we are transmitting that one. This is a local area network. Next, wide area network. While coming to this wide area network, the name itself is telling it is a wide area. Wide area means a big, it's a global, international, we can consider it. Okay. See, in this wide area network, if we are it is providing a long distance transmission. This wide area, what it is doing, it is providing a long distance transmission. What is the data, how the data is represented, we already seen. It may be of video, it may be of numbers, it may be of text, anything. And these are connected in a two fashions. Switched WAN, we call this diagram is a switched WAN. And these are N systems, A, B and C are the N systems. These are located at some different places. This is located at far away place, and B is located at somewhere far, and C is also located somewhere far away from the system. And these systems, N systems, are connected with the help of a switches. These are switches. The switches are represented like this, the box, and these are switches, and these switches are connected in a wide area network. We call it as a wide area network. To communicate for A to B, with the help of this one, it may choose any of the route. This routing and all we'll see in the coming sessions. This route, if I select this route, it will select this one and it will reach to a B. If it is going to select, if it want to travel like this also, it may go, or this may go in this fashion also. This is a switched WAN connection. Now we are coming for this point-to-point WAN we are calling. Here is an ISP, Internet Service Providers. This term also I will be explaining you today in the last part of our session, or might be in the next session, introduction part. If the time permits, today in this session I will be completing the Internet Service Providers also. Here we are having point-to-point WAN connection, means a modem is directly connected to another modem. It is connected, means nothing is there in between. Yes or no? Here we are having number of switches. It is not directly connected. Here what is happening first, this switch, from the data should transfer from here to here, here to here, here to here, and some 4 switches it has to pass. But here what is happening, from this from our PC to another PC, directly we are having a point-to-point WAN connection. Okay, a wide area network provides long distance transmission of data. That is, this all you know, and it is a large geographical area that may be comprised of countries. This may be, this, as I told you, it's a worldwide, means this WAN connection will give a interconnectivity between the countries, continents, even the whole world. Now the switched WANs, the connects the end systems with usually comprise a router, router or a switch. Maximum we'll see switch. If a long distances, routers also we are going to use. Internet working connecting devices. These are internet that connects the another LAN or WAN. Okay. These are also, these are again, if the end system is there, this end system might be, again we'll have some LAN connection. It may be there. Now point to point WAN is normally a line leased from a telephone or a cable TV provider that connects a home computer. Okay, here if we consider a small example also, I can consider here. If I am operating with a remote, the infrared, okay, the rays are directly connected to our TV so that we can operate it very easily. Yes or no? It's a direct connection. Point to point we can call. Okay, a small LANs of an internet service provider. As I told you, this is an internet service provider. All the internet connections are ruled by the are taken care by internet service providers. Okay, next, metropolitan area networks. This is between LANs and WANs. LANs and WANs. LAN, WAN, and this metropolitan area will be in the middle. Okay, in the middle. We'll see the connection setup, how it will be. Here, MAN, as I told you, it's a central. This is, if we consider a city, this is Hyderabad city, and this office is located at Shamshabad, not Shamshabad, some Secunderabad, and this might be some Kukatpalli, and this might be somewhere, and all these are connected to a MAN. Means all these networks, all this, from here to here we can communicate. From Kukatpalli to Charminar also we can communicate. From Kukatpalli to Secunderabad we can communicate. Secunderabad to Charminar we can communicate. Either way we can communicate. This is an in a city we call. In a city we call. We can tell local area networks. These are the local area networks. Local area network is connected to a metropolitan area network, and metropolitan area, some metropolitan area networks are connected to a wide area network for our internet connectivity. A metropolitan area network. MAN is a network with a size between LAN and a WAN. As I told you, it is between LAN and a MAN. It's normally covers the areas inside a town or a city. If we have considered an example of a city, our city, Hyderabad city, we have considered, and this is a local area network of different areas and how they are connected. Okay. It is designed for a customer who needs a high-speed connectivity. High-speed connectivity, the internet connectivity, high-speed internet, those who are required. Like this, it is with the help of this MAN, it is connected. A good example of MAN is a part of the telephone company network. It is a part of the telephone company network. Okay. Another one example is the cable TV network. Normally, the internet networking uses two things. One is a telephone company network it will be using, and the other one is cable TV network. All the cables are already placed. Telephone, if we consider the telephone network, all the cables, underground cables are also already, they were established. Wherever it is required, they are going to use this one, or sometimes we are going to use wireless also. So not only these three, MAN, WAN, LAN, we are having some more topologies. Okay, here heterogeneous network made Heterogeneous network, interconnection of networks. Interconnection of networks means when two or more connections, means one side LAN connection, one side MAN connection, and one side MAN connection. All these are interconnected. We'll see. Suppose this is an example I am going to consider. Suppose a company is located somewhere east side. This is the east side, and here the connect company is having using LAN connection. This is a LAN connection. Which topology can you guess? We are having a hub. Each port is connected to a different systems. So this connection will be a star topology. The east side company is using what it is using? It is using a bus topology LAN connection, bus topology and a LAN connection. Here the company which is present in the west side is having a which connection? Bus topology. This is a bus topology with a LAN connection. Remember, these are LAN connections, okay? And these LAN connections, with the help of the routers, it is connected point to point WAN. I told you point to point. There is nothing in between these two routers. This point to point may be wireless, wired, anything, but there won't be any connections for them. Only end-to-end connections, only these two routers will be there. Similarly, here also the same thing, this west side and east side. These again, these two, this one is connected, and here also this router is connected to this switch. What is this one? Switch means where it is connected, switched WAN. Here these two companies should be monitored by their president, and he is somewhere far away from these two cities. We'll consider somewhere in the middle of the city. Means somewhere middle. This president should monitor these two companies. How he is going to monitor? He will be connected through a WAN connection. Modem he is using. Here we are using the routers. In a network, if we consider, it have some LAN connections, MAN topologies will have, network categories we are having, routers are included, switches are included, point-to-point links are included, modem is included, and so on. These many connections are required. These many devices are present in the network. That is interconnection of networks. See, this is a heterogeneous network. LAN, WAN or MAN cannot exist isolatedly. As I told you, independently it is not existed. Independently, only LAN will not be there. Only MAN will not be there. This heterogeneous network means LAN, MAN or MAN may exist. Okay, an organization requires a combination of them. This type of network is referred as heterogeneous network. This type of network is required as heterogeneous network. I hope you all have understand about LAN, MAN, WAN very clearly. Okay, now we'll see a small video regarding this one. Okay. We'll see this video to understand our categories, network categories, LAN, MAN. Not only MAN, WAN, LAN, we are having different types of networks. PAN also is available. That is, PAN is nothing but a personal area network. All this we'll be seeing in this video. Okay.
Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about the different network types. And these network types depend on how large they are and how much of an area they cover geographically. Now, most people who have a basic knowledge of networking are familiar with terms such as LAN and WAN. But in addition to those, there are a few more network types that a lot of people are not familiar with. So that's what we're going to talk about in this video. So let's first talk about a PAN. PAN stands for Personal Area Network. Now this is a type of network that is used on a personal level.
As I told you, we are having PAN also. As per our subject, we are not discussing all this, but it is very important, and to have a little bit knowledge is very important. That's why I am showing this video.
It's a small network that is used for connecting devices such as smartphones, tablets, and laptops. And they connect to each other by using wireless technologies such as Bluetooth, infrared, and near-field communication, or NFC. But they can also connect by using a wired connection, such as a USB cable. PANs are generally used for transferring small files, such as music, photos, calendar appointments, and so on. And the next type of network is a LAN. Now LAN stands for Local Area Network. A local area network is a group of devices such as computers, servers, switches, and printers which are located in the same building, such as in an office or in a home. In other words, in close proximity to each other. The most common type of LAN is an Ethernet LAN, where two or more computers are connected to Ethernet cables using.
See, this is a LAN, local area connection, in a small building, first floor and a second floor, and these are connected with a wired. And how these are connected from this server, it is being connected to the systems present in the second floor, and the systems also present in the first floor. This printer is also connected to this PC. Means this is also a local area network only. Hardware part, when we are connecting to hardware devices, is also a local area network. Sometimes wireless also, this local area network, wireless also we can do.
A switch. Now a WLAN, or Wireless Local Area Network, is a local area network that uses wireless communication instead of wired communication. A wireless LAN is defined as having.
See, this is a WLAN we call. It is nothing but a local area network wireless. This is nothing but a wireless local area network. Here, this is connected, this one, with the help of this. Without this wires, the electromagnetic waves, with the help of this, all these devices are connected without any cable.
At least two devices that use wireless communication to form a local area network. A wireless LAN will typically have a Wi-Fi router or a wireless access point for wireless devices such as laptops, tablets, wireless desktops, and smartphones to communicate. So in simple terms, a wireless LAN is a LAN but without using cables. And the next network type is a CAN. Now CAN stands for Campus Area Network. A CAN is a network that joins two or more LANs together within a limited area. So for example, a CAN could be a university that has multiple buildings in the same general area that are connected to each other to form a larger network. So these buildings could be different departments on a university's property, with each building having their own LAN in their department. And then the buildings are connected to form a campus area network. And the next network type is a MAN. MAN stands for Metropolitan Area Network. Now this is a larger network than a CAN. It's a network that spans over several buildings in a city or town. MANs are typically connected using a high-speed connection such as fiber optic cable. It's a high-speed network that gives the ability for sharing data and resources within a city. And the next one is a SAN, or Storage Area Network. Now, a SAN is a special high-speed network that stores and provides access to large amounts of data. Basically, what a SAN is that it's a dedicated network that's used for data storage. This network consists of multiple disk arrays, switches, and servers. One of the main reasons for using a SAN is because SANs are not affected by network traffic, such as bottlenecks that can happen in a local area network. And that's because SANs aren't really a part of a local area network. It's partitioned off. It's a network all by itself. And then finally, there's the Wide Area Network, or WAN. A WAN is the largest type of network. A WAN includes multiple LANs, CANs, and MANs. It's a network that spans over a large geographical area, such as a country, continent, or even the entire globe. A good example of a wide area network is the Internet.
Okay, I hope you all has understood the network categories LAN, MAN, WAN. We are having PAN, CAN, SAN also, but we are not having in this syllabus. Thank you, and we'll see the one more topic in the next session.